We should perform our Guru Seva with so much intensity, so much dedication, and so much attention to details, and attention in general, that we become mad and separation from Sri Gurudev. We should become mad after Guru. Service and separation. What does it mean to serve in separation? It means to have union in separation. Service severs the physical laws of time and space. We ascend, we transcend this, we ascend through sound, transcendental vibration, Shabda Brahman. The spiritual master, the Sadguru, the spiritual master in sound, he never leaves. The spiritual master never leaves the true disciple, the Sad Shishya. The Sadguru never leaves the Sad Shishya. The spiritual master is not lost or forgotten. The art of service. What is the art of service? What is the art of serving Krishna? We have the art of chanting Hare Krishna. What is the art of serving? The art of serving means to hear of the spiritual master, Sri Guru. Hear from him, hear his words, hear his teachings, hear his instructions, and then immediately assimilate his instructions, his Vani, Guru Vani. Immediately assimilate, absorb, imbibe his instructions in your mind and senses. And then manifest that sound vibration, that Guru Vani, manifest that Shiksha in service. This is hearing from the spiritual master. In other words, you can say there's the Gyan and the Vigyan, or the theory and the practice. There's hearing and action. Hear, then act. Hear, assimilate, absorb, and act. Not like hear and, oh, yeah, maybe I do, maybe I don't. We should hear the instruction, the order, the Guru Agya, the order, the instructions, immediately act. This is the art of service. This is the real Sad Shishya who is serving the Sadguru. So many disciples, they hear and, okay, that's nice. Maybe someday I'll think about it. Maybe someday I may even act upon what I've heard. Maybe not. I'm a free agent. Do what I want. Bhakti is free. It's voluntary. It's not a prison. You can accept Guru and follow him, or you can accept him partially and follow him partially, accept him fully. Krishna is the same way. The art of service. Hear from Guru, assimilate his instructions, and carry them out, basically. Assimilate in the mind and senses, and then manifest that sound vibration. Because the Guru is giving Shabda Brahman, the Guru is vibrating transcendental sound to liberate us from birth and death, to fill us with the love of Krishna, to make us recipients of Krishna's prem, Radha's prem. So we have to assimilate that Shabda in our mind and senses. Then we manifest that Shabda. We manifest that in service. This is hearing. The Guru's tongue and voice are not limited. Guru Vani, we hear this term, Guru Vani, because we're talking about Guru Vapu. But now we're talking about serving Guru in separation. This theme of this talk is Guru Seva in separation. So now we don't have the Vapu to serve. We can't cook for him, we can't wash his clothes or massage him or drive him somewhere, or we can't serve his form. So we're talking about the Vani. So now we're talking about the Vani. This is the art of service, because this is the main thing, the Vani, Guru Vani. Assimilate the Vani, the Shabda, the Shabda Brahman. That's why he says that the Guru is, the spiritual master is in sound. He never leaves the true disciple. He's eternally present. The Guru is always present in his Nam Rup, the Vani Rup. Vani Rup, Guru Vani Rup, the form of Guru in his sound vibration, Shabda Brahman. The spiritual master is never lost or forgotten to the true disciple. Guru Vani, the words and teachings of Guru, they have no beginning and they never end. So it's not that my Guru left or my Guru's not here. He's always here. Because Shabda Brahman is eternal. It's eternal sound vibration, transcendental vibration. Guru lives in that. He's wrapped with that. He manifests that. He expands that. He lives in that. He serves that, distributes Shabda Brahman. The Guru Vani, the words and teachings of Guru, they have no beginning and they never end. They have no beginning and they never end in the heart of the disciple who can actually hear. Very interesting. The words and teachings of Sri Guru are called Guru Vani. They have no beginning because they come from Krishna. Krishna is eternal. Krishna's message of Bhagavad Gita, we say the immortal message of truth. The immortal, eternal message. Perennial philosophy, sometimes I write on the back of the Gita. Perennial philosophy. The eternal song of God. God's song is going on. God sang the same song. God sang the song Bhagavad Gita. Gita means song. Gita, Gopi Gita. The song of Bhagavan. Bhagavan sang this song to Arjuna 5,000 years ago in Kurukshetra. But Krishna is he's a famous singer. But some big guy goes here and he goes to Australia and he even comes to India. And everybody, so many fans, he's popular in this world. He's a big singer. But Krishna is a big singer. He goes to Surya Loka. He goes to the sun planet and he sings the song of Bhagavad Gita. He did his performance there. He did a huge performance there 120 million years ago. 120 million years ago, Krishna went there and did a concert. He did a huge concert in the sun planet. So many devas came and the stadium was like Woodstock. All the demigods came there and heard the concert. And he sang his famous song. Tahino Shvinyata Dehe Komaram Yovanam Jara Tata Dehantara Praptir Dirastata Namuyati. He sang this song of eternal truth, Shabda Brahman, to Suryadev. And then again he sang the song Kurukshetra. And then he went to New York and he sang the song on 2nd Avenue in 1966. Prabhupada was singing that song that he learned from his guru. That's the eternal words of Krishna that are vibrated in the heart and mind and words of the spiritual master, the Guru Vani. So that sound, that Shabda Brahman, has no beginning, no end. He's eternal. The Guru Vani has no beginning and never ends in the heart of the true disciple who can actually hear and hear correctly. Separation from Sri Guru heightens the disciple's realization and appreciation of the unique qualities of his spiritual master. What is the value? What is the value? What is the contribution or benefit of separation? There is some benefit. Everything is beneficial. Guru's diksha is beneficial. Guru's darshan is beneficial. Guru's sangha is beneficial. Guru's seva is beneficial. And Guru's Vani is beneficial, and Guru's Vapu is beneficial, and Guru's separation is beneficial. Viraha, Guru Viraha. Separation from Guru is also beneficial. And all are arranged by Krishna. Krishna brings the Guru before us, and Krishna takes the Guru away from us. So this is all the udar, the welfare and benefit that's showered upon the conditioned soul, eager for perfection by the causeless mercy of Krishna. Yasya prasada bhagavat prasada yasya prasada nagati katopi. By the mercy of Krishna one receives Guru, and by the mercy of Guru one attains Krishna and Vrindavan, and the eternal service of Radha Govinda in the groves of Vrindavan. Niti Nikunja Seva.